Hi, I'm Suzanne Boyd. We welcome Harvey Fine, the managing partner at Maris Global, to M&A TV. Hi, Harvey.
Hi.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, tell us a little bit about Maris Global and what you all do.
Yeah, so we invest in cash flow producing companies that are leaders in their niches here in the US or Europe that we think have not only an opportunity to grow in China, but also are in the middle of some sort of digital transformation that we can help them with, offline to online.
So what are some of the companies that you're investing in here locally?
We
or
just,
in the US?
Yeah, we just invested in a company that's an educational robotics company. So they use robots to teach kids from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade how to code, which I think is exciting, not just for the social good, but we think there's a big opportunity in the US as well as in China with such a premium being placed on education in China. We're invested in a software as a service company that focuses on the utility space, also a big area for China, but also one that we think is good for the social economy because it helps streamline electricity, gas, and water usage.
What are some of the challenges of getting these companies into China and doing business there?
Yeah, right now one of the things that is an issue, and we talked about that before, was the tariffs, right? For the companies that we invest in that source in China, the tariffs could become an issue because the cost of their goods are more expensive. For the companies that are selling products into China, it's a little bit less of an issue. But then the challenges with the trade war, Chinese regulations for a U.S. company becomes more strict, right? They like their homegrown type of company, so it puts a premium on having the right connections in China to be able to partner these companies with the right local Chinese partners to help the government feel like these are companies that are benefiting the overall Chinese economy.
Yeah, and you say that today's results of the midterm elections is going to probably have some sort of an impact on that.
It could. I mean, if the Democrats win both houses, then they might put pressure on Trump so that the tariffs are a little bit more relaxed. If they don't, then Trump could be more aggressive in how the tariffs are implemented and could escalate the war with the trade war with China.
When you get that kind of news, does it? How does it make you feel? Because you know a lot of your interests are in China.
That's right. Well, I think there's opportunities on both sides of it. Yeah. So it just pivots the strategy a little bit. If the tariffs becomes more strict, then you have to find other places to source it. Maybe China's not the best place to source it, or maybe you emphasize selling into China as opposed to sourcing from China and selling in the U.S.
What are you expecting out of M&A activity in 2019?
I think it's going to continue to be robust. I mean, valuations are high, which would seem to present a challenge, but there's so much dry powder in the equity markets. The debt markets seem to be very strong as well. The terms and structures seem very similar as the past few years, and the companies have been strong. So I think that's going to continue for a little while across most industries. I think some of the industries that may be more challenged include retail. They're being disrupted by a lot of the online players. I think traditional CPG is also going to be challenged, not because of so much the online disruption, but that there's a lot of new innovation that where people prefer those products over the traditional CPG products.
All right, Harvey, very interesting. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, nice to meet you.